Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a video on a problem I discovered on my water line on my refrigerator. I have a water dispenser here, and found that as I pushed on it, I noticed there was a delay in the water coming out. It was like the tubing um, had air in it or something. Now this side is for ice, this side's for water. So anyway, let me show you what I found. Okay, I have the refrigerator pulled out. I've taken the back off, this right here. Got some insulation and vent holes in the cardboard. Just comes off with screws. Here's the compressor. Here's the water line coming in from the basement. It's 1/4 inch. And I noticed there was a leak. So came back here to investigate, and I found a crack in the water line here, and I thought it was 1/4 inch, and went to the hardware store locally, got a compression fitting, and it was too small. So then, as oftentimes once you get ready to do your repair, you really look closely, and it ended up being 5/16 inch. So I cut this length out and got a 5/16 inch compression fitting, and put it in. The tubing slides in each end of this. There's a little copper ferrule like things, like a washer with a thick part in the center, slides on each end, on each side, and then you put a wrench here to stabilize the compression fitting, and then turn these nuts on to tighten them. And this sits right next to a piece of tubing for the compressor, and just to make sure there wasn't any wear or anything, I just put a piece of a little peanut like insulation you use for packing to separate it. They have something like that down here, have styrofoam on this tubing down here, and this hose actually ran up here with this one, and it seemed like there was something going on there to cause it to crack, but I'm not sure if it was wearing or something. But this goes over into this combination of pipes. The water comes in to the solenoid, and then it splits into this splitter here where it goes to a filter for the water, and then it goes up to the ice dispenser, or the water dispenser, and then this goes actually to the ice dispenser. So there's several lines here, and that's why I usually got confused, I guess, on the size. But anyway, so this seems to be working. I disconnected it here, and then made the repair. It's a little wet right now, but I don't think it's leaking. I think it's really just sweating, but I may tighten it up a little bit more here. But anyway, so if you see water underneath your refrigerator like I did, and in this case I noticed that the water line going into the fill dispenser was activating slowly, so I was able to narrow it down and repair it. So this fitting probably cost maybe $4 or $5, and it's copper. You can get them in plastic also, I think, but I got this instead. So anyway, that's all for now, YouTubers. Old John signing off. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Or if you want to comment, feel free. We can always learn from each other's mistakes and adventures. Old John signing off.